Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to paint this easy city scene. First I start by wetting the whole paper. I'm ready with raw sienna color in my palette. I'm using it to paint the sky and the pavement that is going to be in the scene. I'm assuming that the sun is at the left side, so I want to show the bright light on the top left corner of the paper. I'm not drawing the sun, but I'm just showing there is a bright light at the top left corner because of the sun. Next, I'm using burnt sienna to show the pavement is nearer to the viewer. I give a few strokes of burnt sienna as shown in this video. After finishing the step, I let the paper to dry up to 50% and then I draw the background which contains a lot of buildings. I'm using a mixture of raw sienna with violet to paint these distant buildings. I just put on different shapes to show this is an old architectural building. The round shape of building shows that it is a tomb. So you can include any type of buildings as per your wish. Also note that while moving to the left side of the paper, I'm reducing the brightness of the pigment by diluting the color. Before starting to paint the pavement tiles, I allowed the paper to completely dry. After my paper is completely dry, I started to paint the pavement tiles. First by drawing all those slanting lines, followed by horizontal lines. I'm using burnt sienna to paint these lines. Next we are going to paint some people and a dog. This is the sketch for your reference, and I'm using the paint directly from the tube to paint the people. Here we have to note that all the head of the people should be on same line. I'm using Payne's Grey to paint the pant of the person, and same for the head. Next, we are painting a person who is nearer to the viewer, and we are also going to paint a dog using a mixture of burnt sienna and raw sienna. Suddenly my brush fell down on the paper and it made a mark. I used water and then wiped with a cloth. Everything is gone. That is a simple tip how to remove the pigment that you have wrongly placed or because of a brush mark that suddenly fell down. I added more and more peoples, and it is your choice to choose the colors that you want. I choose mostly blue color, but the pink one that I have chose at the middle of the painting is uh, eye capturing, so I want to make it to violet by adding blue over the pink. So I done it at the end of this painting and I turned it into violet. So overall the background people all wearing some kind of blue shirts, and the one who is nearer to the viewer is wearing red shirt, which is the main attraction of this painting. Okay, see you in another video. Bye bye.